Deep within the rainforests of Central and South America, a fascinating creature dwells amongst the trees. This is the kinkajou, a small mammal with a prehensile tail and big, curious eyes. Kinkajous are often mistaken for monkeys or ferrets, but they are actually related to raccoons. Their soft, dense fur is a beautiful golden brown color, providing excellent camouflage in the dappled sunlight of the forest canopy. They are about the size of a small house cat, with long, slender bodies and short legs. Their most distinctive feature is their long, prehensile tail, which they use like an extra limb for balance and climbing. Kinkajous are primarily found in tropical rainforests, from southern Mexico all the way down to Brazil. They prefer habitats with tall trees, dense foliage, and plenty of fruit trees to satisfy their sweet tooth. As we venture further into their world, we'll discover the unique adaptations and fascinating behaviors that make kinkajous such captivating creatures. The rainforest provides a rich and diverse habitat for kinkajous. They make their homes high up in the canopy, far from the dangers of the forest floor. The dense foliage provides cover from predators and the elements, while the tall trees offer a network of branches and vines for them to navigate their arboreal world. Kinkajous are solitary creatures, except during mating season or when mothers are raising their young. They establish territories within the rainforest, marking their presence with scent glands and vocalizations. These territories can overlap with those of other kinkajous, but they generally avoid direct contact unless it's for mating. Within their territories, kinkajous establish sleeping dens in tree hollows, abandoned bird nests, or dense tangles of vines. These dens provide a safe and secluded place to rest during the day, as kinkajous are primarily nocturnal animals. As dusk settles over the rainforest, they emerge from their dens to begin their nightly foraging expeditions. Kinkajous are primarily frugivores, meaning their diet consists mainly of fruit. They have a particular fondness for sweet, juicy fruits like figs, mangoes, and berries. Using their keen sense of smell, they can locate ripe fruit from afar, even in the darkness of the rainforest. Their long, slender tongues are perfectly adapted for reaching deep inside flowers and fruits to extract the sweet nectar and pulp. They play a crucial role in seed dispersal, as they often swallow seeds whole, which are then deposited elsewhere in their droppings. This helps to regenerate the rainforest and maintain its biodiversity. While fruit makes up the bulk of their diet, kinkajous are opportunistic omnivores and will supplement their diet with other food sources. They may consume insects, honey, nectar, flowers, and even small vertebrates like frogs or lizards if the opportunity arises. This dietary flexibility allows them to thrive in the ever-changing environment of the rainforest. As darkness descends upon the rainforest, kinkajous awaken from their slumber and prepare for a night of foraging and socializing. Their large, round eyes are specially adapted for excellent night vision, allowing them to navigate the darkness with ease. Kinkajous are incredibly agile and acrobatic climbers. Their prehensile tails act like a fifth limb, providing balance and support as they move through the trees. They can rotate their hind feet backwards, allowing them to climb down trees headfirst with remarkable agility. While they are generally solitary creatures, kinkajous may engage in playful interactions with each other, especially during mating season. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including chirps, whistles, and barks. Their playful nature and adorable appearance have earned them the nickname honey bears, although they are not closely related to bears. Section 5. Ecosystem Engineers. The importance of kinkajous. Kinkajous play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of the rainforest ecosystem. As important seed dispersers, they contribute to the regeneration of trees and plants, ensuring the continued diversity and abundance of the rainforest flora. Their feeding habits also benefit a wide range of plant species. By pollinating flowers as they feed on nectar, kinkajous help to ensure the reproduction of various plant species, contributing to the overall health and productivity of the rainforest. Their presence in the food web also contributes to the delicate balance of predator-prey relationships. While they are preyed upon by larger animals like ocelots and tairas, they also help to control populations of insects and other small creatures. Section 6. Threats to kinkajous, predators and habitat loss. Despite their adaptability and important role in the ecosystem, kinkajous face several threats to their survival. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion, logging and mining activities, is the most significant threat to their long-term survival. As rainforests shrink, so too do the available habitats for kinkajous and countless other species. Hunting and poaching for the pet trade also pose a significant threat to kinkajou populations. While they are protected by international laws, enforcement is often lax, and illegal capture and trade continue to threaten their numbers. Climate change is another emerging threat to kinkajous and their rainforest home. As temperatures rise and rainfall patterns change, it can disrupt the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem, impacting the availability of food and resources for kinkajous and other wildlife. Section 7. Kinkajous and humans: a complex relationship. The relationship between kinkajous and humans is complex and multifaceted. In some areas, they are revered for their beauty and playful nature, while in others, they are viewed as pests or a source of food or income. Efforts are underway to raise awareness about the importance of kinkajou conservation and the threats they face. Conservation organizations are working to protect rainforest habitats, combat illegal wildlife trade, and promote sustainable practices that benefit both people and wildlife. Ecotourism initiatives that focus on responsible wildlife viewing can provide economic incentives for local communities to protect kinkajous and their habitat. By learning more about these fascinating creatures and supporting conservation efforts, we can all play a role in ensuring their survival for generations to come. Section 8. Fun facts about kinkajous: nature's little clowns. Kinkajous possess a number of intriguing traits that make them even more captivating. Their prehensile tails, for instance, are so strong that they can support their entire body weight, allowing them to dangle upside down like miniature acrobats. Did you know that kinkajous have a special relationship with certain species of bats? They share a mutualistic bond, with bats pollinating certain fruits that kinkajous love to eat. In turn, kinkajous disperse the seeds of these fruits, helping the plants to reproduce. Another fun fact: baby kinkajous are called cubs, just like their raccoon relatives. These adorable cubs are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mothers for care and protection. They remain with their mothers for several months, learning essential survival skills before venturing out on their own. Section 9. Protecting kinkajous: a shared responsibility. Protecting kinkajous and their rainforest home is a shared responsibility that requires a collaborative effort from individuals, communities, governments, and organizations around the world. By supporting sustainable practices, reducing our environmental footprint, and advocating for policies that protect rainforests and wildlife, we can make a difference. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of biodiversity and the threats facing kinkajous is crucial in fostering a sense of responsibility and encouraging conservation action. By working together, we can ensure that these fascinating and important creatures continue to thrive in their rainforest home for generations to come. Let us be inspired by the kinkajou's resilience, adaptability, and playful spirit as we strive to create a world where both people and nature can flourish. Remember, every effort, no matter how small, can contribute to a brighter future for kinkajous and the incredible biodiversity of our planet.